Bharat, this nation would be no more a place to, respect women. Now this is going to be a place where we're going to nurture gundas. The entire camera readings or the camera footage has been tampered. Kejriwal ji and Aam Aadmi Party, which never belonged to Aam Aadmi, उनका खेल खत्म और दुकान बंद हो गया.
Joining me is a senior BJP leader, Madhvi Lata, who is now on campaign trail in national capital. Ma'am, you are in Delhi. But in Delhi, the chief minister is on the street. He is now saying that BJP wants to finish Aam Aadmi Party. How do you see this?
Unfortunately, I would want to say that, my experience with the Hyderabad has been so bitter, where we have Congress, which is in understanding with AMIM. Everybody in the entire nation knows that, they have been very brutal towards me, whether it is the kind of abusive language that they have used, whether they have threatened me. Leaving Hyderabad, I thought when I was reaching Delhi, through Bombay or Mumbai, I thought at least there should have been something better here. But here, the Congress and AAP coalition is no less pathetic than what it is in Telangana and Hyderabad. I'm surprised that wherever Congress is there and wherever the local party is there, which is tied up with the Congress, they have only one agenda, that to abuse women, assault women, use a dirty language, just hook or crook, do anything to win elections. I'm surprised, where is the character here built anymore? What is it they're trying to do? Build the nation through gundas? Is that what they would want to say, that now Bharat, this nation would be no more a place to, respect women. Now this is going to be a place where we're going to nurture gundas. Ghar bulayenge, you're going to call a lady home, this chief minister himself, assault her.
But on this assault gate, as far as the Rajya Sabha MP of Aam Aadmi Party, Swati Maliwal, is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party is now saying that it is BJP's conspiracy and she was sent by BJP. We have seen multiple press conferences also of Aam Aadmi Party. Earlier, Sanjay Singh said that, okay, we will take actions against PA of Arvind Kejriwal. Now, Atishi, who is minister also in Delhi government, claiming that she was a BJP pawn, she was sent by BJP, and it is a conspiracy against Aam Aadmi Party because they cannot see Aam Aadmi Party growing.
It is like ulta chor kotwal ko dante. Let's understand their way, okay? Because I'm not a seasoned politician. I would only try to understand like a common man. If they would want to say that BJP's conspiracy there in this, who is the guy who bet her? For whom Kejriwal himself is sitting on the streets? If that is BJP's conspiracy, why the lady has been beaten up in Kejriwal's house? And who has beaten her? Why is he supporting the guy who has beaten her? Should have some common sense when you are putting allegation on BJP. Things should match. Things should match, man. I'm surprised how he's an IITian even. How he's a bureaucrat even. It just sounds like, barrister at our place talks nonsense. It's just nonsense. Please, Kejriwal ji. You've served as a chief minister. Please do sense meaningful.
Last question now. The CCTV police is saying that CCTV which they wanted to recover from that particular place, from residence of Arvind Kejriwal, is blank. Bibov has formatted his phone. He went to Mumbai and police will also most likely take him to Mumbai. How do you see the entire episode turning out?
The entire camera readings or the camera footage has been tampered. Then I'm saying that where is again BJP coming? Then you should not have tampered the camera recordings, right? Why did you tamper the camera recordings? This itself says that now they're shit scared. Now Kejriwal ji and Aam Aadmi Party, which never belonged to Aam Aadmi, they're scared that unka khel khatam aur dukan band ho gaya.
So, Madhvi Lata, who is in Delhi, lashes out at Arvind Kejriwal and said that there is no involvement of BJP as far as this entire case is concerned. With Amit Padwar in Delhi, I'm Piyush Mishra for India Today.